Good morning. It's Monday, May 21st, and today Congressman Stark and I were invited to participate in a debate with the Tri-Valley Chambers of Commerce. Unfortunately, Congressman Stark has refused to debate with the Tri-Valley Chambers and even went as far to say that if a more reputable organization were to invite him, he would participate. So I'm going to show my support for the Chamber by going to a local butcher and buying some chicken and duck and sending it to Congressman Stark and asking him to explain why he has decided to duck our debates and is too chicken to discuss the issue. I'm Eric Swalwell. I'm running for the U.S. Congress. Are you? Yeah. I'm a city councilman and a prosecutor. I'm running against Beef Star. Yeah, no, I've read it. We're going to send some chicken to that. They want tomatoes. Chicken and duck out there. Yes, chicken and duck. We not even a duck. That's all right. We got some duck. You want a whole chicken? I'll take the whole chicken.
That's a stupid question. There's no way anybody would give them money.
That's Mary's chicken.
There's no way anybody would take 5 years for this one that's really in it.
This is pretty good chicken?
Good chicken.
All right. Yeah, send some.
Write
a little note.
Oh, yeah, that'd be great.
Former pitching coach, he sends his Lincecum tipping pitches. Oh, good morning.
I think we should have had at least an audience with his representative, who's been with him quite a while. I've known her from around the community, but it's unfortunate that we didn't get the opportunity to sit down and kind of explain that the Chambers of Commerce are a very reputable organization, real neutral ground, great place to have a nice debate. Unfortunately, they wouldn't represent Congressman Stark, and nor would they give us an audience. So it's unfortunate, but we brought the message. Yeah, I'm very disappointed. He's not here. I don't know. He might be back in Washington or Maryland, wherever he lives now. But unfortunately, he wasn't here.
So what's going to happen now?
There's going to be an election on June the 5th, and the people will speak.
I'm Eric Swalwell. I approve this message because you deserve a new direction in Congress.